Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Puppy Chew Bones is probably one of the most essential items for any new puppy parent, offering a healthy and engaging way to support your furry friend's development while satisfying their natural urge to chew. These specially designed bones are crafted to be safe and beneficial for growing pups, aiding in teething relief and promoting good dental hygiene from the very start. They provide a much-needed distraction, helping to redirect chewing behavior away from your furniture and onto something appropriate and enjoyable for your canine companion. Choosing the right chew bone is crucial for ensuring your puppy's safety and well-being during this critical stage of their life. Number 5. Nylabone Ring Bone Chew Toy for Puppies. Keep your puppy's teeth healthy and clean. The textured surface helps prevent plaque and tartar buildup as they chew. Satisfy your puppy's natural urge to chew. This toy discourages destructive chewing by providing a positive outlet. This chew toy is proudly made in the United States. You can trust in its quality and origin. Designed for extra small dogs up to 15 pounds. It's the perfect size for your little companion. It features a savory chicken flavor throughout that dogs can't resist. They'll love chewing on this. Every toy is created with purpose and love. Its unique shape, texture, and flavor are designed to meet your dog's needs. What we like. This chew toy is designed with ridges and nubs to help keep your puppy's teeth clean. It satisfies their natural urge to chew and discourages destructive behavior. If you have a puppy that is prone to chewing on furniture or other household items, this is a great option to redirect their energy. It's also made in the USA, which is a plus for many pet parents. What people say. The chicken flavor seems to really hold her attention, and it gives her something appropriate to chew instead of everything else. It's the perfect size for a very young puppy and easy for her to hold and gnaw on without getting frustrated. It keeps her occupied, helps soothe her gums, and gives us a much-needed break during those teething moments. Number 4. N-Bone Puppy Teething Treats. Introducing N-Bone Puppy Teething Treats, the perfect solution for your teething puppy. They are highly palatable and ideal for puppies of all sizes. Our treats are made with all-natural ingredients, ensuring no artificial colors or preservatives. You can feel good about what you're giving your furry friend. The pliable texture is safe for your puppy's new teeth. It effectively helps soothe teething pain and sore gums, providing much-needed relief. Your puppy will love the great taste of these treats. They are completely edible and digestible, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Give your puppy the comfort and relief they need during teething. With N-Bone, you can ensure a happier experience for both of you. What we like. These treats are specifically formulated to be gentle on a puppy's new teeth and gums, helping to soothe teething discomfort. They are made with all-natural ingredients, meaning no artificial colors or preservatives. If your puppy is currently going through a difficult teething phase and you want a safe, edible, and soothing option, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These teething sticks are amazing. My puppy loves chewing on them, and they've really helped soothe his sore gums. They're the perfect size, durable, and seem safe for him to chew without breaking into small pieces. I also love that they keep him entertained and help prevent him from chewing on furniture or shoes. Out Golden Doodle loved these from 8 weeks to current, 5 months, seems to really help with teething and kept him occupied. Number 3. EcoKind Premium Gold Yak Cheese Dog Chews. Spoil your best friend with a yummy treat that offers endless hours of chewing fun. These chews are designed to keep your dog engaged and entertained for hours on end. Made following a traditional Himalayan recipe, these yak treats are crafted from 100% milk with a smoked cheese taste. They are not only safe but also extremely tasty for your furry friend. No dog can resist these rough-tastic snacks. They are ideal for dogs of all breeds and sizes, guaranteed to make tails wag with delight. This is the ultimate dog chew treat pack for your furry family. It includes various sizes, ensuring you can cover all your needs or treat your pet to something different every day. Say goodbye to low-quality dog treats. This is a totally natural and nutritious treat made with no binding agents, preservatives, or additives. Crafted using a unique curing process, lactose is removed, ensuring food safety and making them gentle on sensitive stomachs. They are made from pasteurized yak and cow's milk. What we like. These yak cheese chews offer a long-lasting chewing experience that can keep your dog occupied for hours. They are made from 100% natural yak and cow's milk, are high in protein, and have a delicious smoked cheese flavor. If you have an aggressive chewer or a dog that gets bored easily, this provides a healthy and engaging alternative to destructive chewing. What people say. One of these amazing chewers lasted her for 10 yesterday, and she's still going at it today. She can go to town for hours and they actually last for days. They're very hard and she just loves them. It's almost 2 weeks for her to go through one yak cheese chew. My furniture is safer. My walls are safer. OMG, these are awesome. Why I didn't have these earlier. They are a lifesaver. And they're healthy. There's no gastrointestinal distress. If you've got an aggressive chewer, you have to try these. The dog loves them. They're super durable. I'd recommend. Number 2. Nylabone Puppy Starter Kit. Introduce your puppy to healthy chewing habits right from the start. This kit includes 2 durable chew toys and a delicious edible treat, perfect for every stage of their development. As your puppy grows, so do their chewing needs. We've designed these toys with materials that adapt, starting soft for teething and becoming tougher as their adult teeth come in. The included chew treat is not only long-lasting but also highly digestible. It's made without any artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, ensuring a healthy reward. You can trust the quality and care put into these toys. They are proudly made in New Jersey, USA, ensuring safety and durability for your furry friend. Every aspect of our chew toys is thoughtfully designed. From their unique shapes and textures to their irresistible flavors, they are made with love to meet your puppy's specific needs. Infused with enticing bacon and chicken flavors throughout, these toys are sure to keep your puppy engaged and satisfied. It's a taste they'll love. This kit is specifically designed for small puppies weighing up to 25 pounds. It provides the perfect chew solution for their size and chewing intensity. What we like. This starter kit is perfect for puppies as they grow, offering different chew materials for teething and for when their adult teeth come in. It also includes a highly digestible edible treat. If you're a new puppy owner and want a convenient, all-in-one solution to cover your puppy's chewing needs through different developmental stages, this kit is ideal. What people say. These bones are great for teething puppies. They are durable and keep my puppy entertained for hours. My puppy loves these bones. They are the perfect size for small breeds and have helped with his chewing habits. I appreciate that these bones are made with natural ingredients. My puppy has sensitive digestion and these bones don't upset his stomach. Number 1. Pawstruck Small 3-inch Filled Dog Bones Variety Pack. Introducing our variety pack of filled dog bones, featuring delicious peanut butter, cheese and bacon, and beef flavors. These treats are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients to ensure a safe and healthy chew for your furry friend. We take pride in crafting our treats in the USA, adhering to the strictest quality standards. Our bones are sourced from free-range, grass-fed cattle and processed in audited, inspected, and approved facilities. Each bone is slowly roasted to lock in a natural, smoky flavor that dogs can't resist. The hollowed-out design is perfectly filled to keep your dog engaged and entertained for hours. These natural dental chews help to reduce plaque and tartar buildup, contributing to better overall dental health. Watch your dog's teeth sparkle as they enjoy a satisfying chew. As a certified small business and pet parents ourselves, we only offer wholesome products that we trust to feed our own dogs. You can be confident in the quality and safety of every treat. You might notice a new look on our packaging as we transition to a fresh design. Rest assured, you'll always receive the same high-quality, delicious treats your dog loves. What we like. These bones are not only long-lasting but also filled with delicious fillings like peanut butter, cheese, and bacon, providing an extra layer of engagement. They also contribute to dental health by helping to remove plaque and tartar. If your dog loves stuffed toys and you're looking for a treat that will keep them busy while also promoting dental hygiene, this variety pack is a fantastic option. What people say. These Pawstruck bones don't splinter like the old Roy ones from Walmart. Sure, they can manage to break off a few dull, tiny bone chips, but nothing that will hurt them even if swallowed. Whiskey is a mega power chewer and can destroy just about anything, but these hold up quite well and don't cause any gastrointestinal upset. The dogs absolutely love them. I also never notice any smell or any significant mess. Very heavy duty and thick, great large size, so they really have to work on them. I also like the filling ingredients much better than the cornmeal and various fats seen in others. The bone itself is thick, dense, and real, not a thin, brittle shell. My medium-large dog is an aggressive chewer, and this keeps him occupied for a solid 30 to 45 minutes working on the filling, then even longer gnawing on the bone afterward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.